You still got your hand in it all? You still do any machining?
My How To series went great last year, season 1. They loved it so much. We're doing season 2, doubling the amount of episodes. Episode 1 was at a machine shop, NTL Industries in Detroit. He's running Nitronic 50, an exotic material. I'm there with the Seco tool representative, the shop owner, and we're talking shop, dude. When I host certain things or when I go speak at machine shop programs and stuff around the country, I still get in it. I don't just walk in there with like a suit and tie, like in a button up and pretend I don't know anything. Like I get in their face. On a lot of other industries, like I'll know enough to be dangerous. And being dangerous, I feel like, is when you can go up to that expert and you can challenge them. Being able to have enough information, the right information to get their wheels turning.